Oh!
Hi, I'm Michael. The climate crisis has put green design front and center in the fight against global warming. Residential and commercial architecture consume about 40% of our energy. We can reduce that number if we design and build shelters that are environmentally friendly on a global scale. I've been exploring ways to design comfortable shelters with a low carbon footprint on an individual and community level. By design, outdoor living areas use less power and are becoming more popular in American home design. Screen porches are the new bonus room. These buffer zones are known as áreas in Brazil and are common in tropical and moderate climates around the world. Using less power is a necessity, not a choice. But outdoor conditions are changing. My Brazilian in-laws have been complaining about the intensity of the heat this year. In fact, the whole world is complaining.
Brett, look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
This year, the world has witnessed a dramatic warming of the planet, and there have been unprecedented environmental catastrophes almost weekly. Antarctica is melting and the global sea level is rising. Yet the hotter it gets, the more power we use to stay cool. The good news is there's proof we can slow the cancer creeping across the planet. In the spring of 2020, the world was in the grips of a COVID catastrophe. Sand was thrown into the gears of the matrix and slowed the machine long enough for people in India to see the Himalayas once again. Seems to me, if we give the planet a chance to chill every now and then, allow time for the planet to catch its breath, it can heal itself, kind of like smokers' lungs. COVID made us take a break. During my lockdown, I worked on some unfinished models and created some new ones. Eventually, I had enough to create a community I named the Sunspot. The Sunspot is an example of building back better. Shelters are designed to collect power from the sun and distribute power and water below ground where they will be protected from wind and fire. But for now, we need the urgency of a Manhattan Project. Attack and implement a full court press to stop further degradation of our ozone. I love space exploration, but Earth is already a dream planet. Its design is tailor-made for us. Matthew McConaughey searched the stars far and wide for a new home and nothing. He's still here in Austin. I saw him at the K-State game. And William Shatner, after pretending to orbit the Earth for so many years, he finally did it. His message? The miracle of atmosphere versus the final frontier. Life versus death. Bottom line, it's going to take a long time before we develop the technology of interstellar travel. In the meantime, 2023 is telling us this house is on fire. Only we can stop this. We need action like the Montana kids who successfully sued their state to live well in the future as guaranteed in their state constitution.